hello from Sydney, or should I say good morning, or good afternoon, or maybe good evening, wherever you are. Today is the 1st of November 2021, and we are very happy to begin the promotion of our 6th volume of the Romanian-Australian Anthology of Contemporary Poetry and Prose. Stay a while, a book about love, about our short time of happiness and joy. With our gratitude to all our collaborators, Sue Crawford, English editor, Luminița Șerbănescu, illustrations, and president of New Writers Group Incorporated, Carol Amos. I'm going to read now the list of the author published. Introductory interview from Alex Pleșcan, New Zealand. Tazin Abdullah, Daniela Andronache, Raul Sebastian Baz, Ana Maria Beligan, Ivona Boitan, Henry Brifa, C.A. Brodribb, Maria Calciu, Peter Cartwright and Victoria Cartwright, Marius Chelaru, Lena Chilari, Adriana Crăciun, Petre Ioan Crețu, Teodor Damian, Ștefan Dimitriu, Victoria Dimitriu, Dani Draper, Adela Efrim, Norn Fairbairn, Armanda Filipine, Florin Golban, Marius Grama, Matilda Hart, Liesel Herman, Romeo Aurelian Ilie, Smaranda Kafka, Ligia Keșișian, Ilona Kruger, Louise Luns, Kate Lamley, Mark Marusic, Victoria Milescu, Anișoara Laura Mustețiu, Meg No, Dana Opriță, Luminița Potârniche, Asunción Pricet, Arna Radovici, Aurelia Satcău, Christopher Samet, Melinda Smith, Moni Stănilă, Dana Staicu, Dorian Stoilescu, Augusta Suple, Veronica Ștefăneț, Lara Taylor, Thomas Torp, Daniel Viera, Daniela Vizireanu, Gabriel Voicescu. Our book launch event is going to take place on the 12th of March 2022 at the State Library of New South Wales, 11:30 as every year, during the Multicultural March governmental program. Please follow us on Facebook, Code Mixing Poetry page, to have all the details about the author published. See you all there, 12th of March 2022.